These are my new wheels from Subi Mods. We are the gramlights, raised gramlights 57DRs in gloss black. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 38, 5 by 114. So those are so nice. There was a sticker here, but I took it off. Put it in my toolbox over there. Just paperwork. Bam. They're one of my favorite wheels, just because how clean they look and simple they are, and they're really easy to wash compared to these, my ZR10s. They're kind of annoying and hard to wash sometimes. These will be much easier to wash. And I like the gloss black. It shines a lot. Paperwork. It looks so good. I wanted TE37s, but these will do for now. I'll get the TEs later. Yeah, so this is how they look. I have a black STI, so it'll go really good with the gloss black wheels that I got. If I take these out. God, I love the way these look.